Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another healthcare work from home job lead. This one is part-time, and it is in the medical billing and charge review field. We will just dive on in. Just know if you're interested in applying, the link to this application page is always in the YouTube description box below this video. The company PMD is hiring a part-time medical billing and charge review specialist. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. But they are looking for someone to help out their billing team by entering patient registration data within their software. You'll also be performing insurance verification and identifying that the correct insurance coverage is attached to the patient's account, and the coordination of benefits, or the order if they have more than one insurance, the order in which the insurances should be billed is correct. You'll identify the cost sharing, a patient out-of-pocket expense post-insurance adjudication, and initiate patient payment request. You'll perform a claim scrubbing review and support coding and billing accuracy to make sure that the claims are coded correctly and got billed to the insurance correctly. You'll also monitor claims for any reconciliation or rejections from the insurance company. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, but they are looking for someone who has a certificate in medical billing or coding. They want somebody who has 2 years of some kind of medical billing experience. Of course, because you have to have healthcare knowledge, you need to already know what CPT code and ICD-10 codes are. Now, they are looking for someone to work only 25 hours per week, but their operating hours are 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you'll need to be able to do your hours within that daytime time frame. And of course, you have to reside in the United States. Now, if you do already have a healthcare background, for a part-time job, they are paying very, very well. They're paying $27.54 an hour. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.